Welcome back to the Wizard Tower project. This is our last and final tower, the Beastiary Part 7. And today we're going to flip back to the tower piece and we're going to paint the walls. And for this, I've chosen yellow. I know yellow is such a bright color, but you know what? My vision for this tower is that it is super bright and just ridiculous. So I went for a base of yellow and then I did a brown wash over top just to mute the color a little bit. Next I found these super cute cardboard pieces at the dollar store and they had been sitting in my drawer for a while. Wasn't sure what I was going to use them on, but I think this is perfect. So I based them in gray and I'm going to glue these over top of our yellow walls. But first I'm going to put down some baseboards. These are just made of foam. And I chose foam because it's super bendable and it will fit around the curvature of the tower. So to attach these pieces to the tower, I'm using tacky glue. It's a bit thicker than Mod Podge, so it'll hold these pieces while they dry. Now, I swear that I measured this balcony, that it was straight, but as I was putting this on, I realized that definitely not. It's kind of tilted down a little bit, but what can you do? And on the right side, that area I didn't have to do anything to because now I'm going to permanently glue in the portal that I made oh so long ago. And that's all we have to update today. Still so much to add into this tower piece. I've got to make a bunch of tiny books for that bookshelf and I'm not sure what else, so leave your suggestions in the comments and thank you so much for watching.